So yeah, up here in the Nevada region, Las Vegas, Boulder City area along the Colorado River, we're doing multiple sets of rappels. We just came down maybe 6 rappels in this canyon. It's a massive canyoneering leg. There's a rope up there going down the cliff all the way down to the teams down there. You see one right there. Looks like Too Cool Racing in Texas. And then further down, if you can see those, I think is Blood Sea and Blister Feet, something like that. They're going down, and we're going back to the river, which is out there. We just lost about the same altitude as we've gained getting up to the top here. So pretty soon we'll be going back down.